The letter A. A. Like in the word asad. Asad. The sound is like letter A in the word apple. And to write it down, pull down, go up again, and then put the Hamza at the top. To write Hamza, pull back around, and then make a curvy line. The next letter is Ba. Ba. Like in the word Baqara. Baqara. The sound is like letter B in the word bat. To write it down, from the right side, pull down to the left side, just like a plate, and then put a dot at the bottom. Let's move to the next letter. Ta. Ta. Like in the word tamr. Tamr. The sound is like letter T in the word tab. To write it down just like ba. From the right side, pull down to the left side, and then put two dots at the top. Let's move on to the next letter. Tha. Tha. Like in the word tha'lab. Tha'lab. The sound is pretty much like th in the word thank. To write it down, it's exactly like the letter ba. Pull from the right side a little down to the left side, and now put three dots at the top. Well done and amazing writing. Moving on to the next letter. Ja. Ja. Like in the word jamal. Jamal. The sound is pretty much like letter J in the word jacket. To write it down, from the left side, draw a little line, pull down around like a half circle, and then put a dot right in the center. Well done. Good job. Next, we're going to learn letter Ha. Ha. Like in the word hasub. Hasub. The sound exactly doesn't exist in English, but it's like a breathy H sound. Just try to mimic me as best as you can, and we'll learn more details in the video series Articulatory Phonetics. To write it down just like letter J. From the top left, draw a little line and then pull down around, and no dot. And then we have letter Kha. Kha. Like in the word khatam. Khatam. The sound again doesn't exist in English. It's like someone is like cleaning his throat. Kha. Kha. And to write it down just like letter J and letter Ha. Make a line, pull down around, put a dot at the top, and then we're moving on to the next letter. Da. Da. Like in the word dajaja. Dajaja. The sound is like letter D in the word daddy. And to write it down, make a little curvy line and then a little curvy across to the left. Amazing writing. And now it's time to the last letter for today's video. The. The. Like the word dhahab. Dhahab. The sound is like letters TH in the word that. To write it down, it's exactly like da. Make a little curvy line, pulling down, a little curvy across to the left. Well done everybody. Wonderful writing today.